welcome to today's video. As you can tell by the background, I am in my home. I call everything my home, but this is my childhood home. I'm in Seattle for kind of a while. Well, for Thanksgiving, but I'm here for almost 3 weeks, so I figured it would be fun to vlog a little bit while I'm here. I'm gonna be doing kind of a yappy little chill vlog. Funny story though, so it is Saturday now. I got here on Tuesday, and when I arrived was when, if you're close to the PNW, you might have heard, and also this might come out later, so I'm not sure, but there was a bomb cyclone, which basically is just like a freak storm that has very little notice. So I flew through the bomb cyclone. I arrived, praise God, safely, because that was the scariest flight ever. We landed to like mass power outages. I feel like I'm used to outages that are like a day max, but this one lasted 2 full days and 3 nights for my family. Yeah, so that was an interesting experience. Not even mad about it. Honestly, I just like read, my dad and I hung out like for 3 days straight. So did my grandma. It really wasn't that bad at all because it's not like we were snowed in. We were able to like drive and stuff. It was just really cool. But anyways, we're here now. Once I got power back, I was like, oh, awesome, now I can start editing. I was so excited because I went to Boston recently. I filmed this really fun like crochet vlog, and I've been so excited to edit it because I just like miss that trip and I want to like look at it and edit it. And then I realized I literally forgot all of my stuff at my apartment. Okay, not all of it, but I forgot all of my SD cards, which is kind of annoying. I remembered my camera clearly because I'm filming on it, but all my SD cards with all of the footage that I wanted to edit. I forgot my SD card adapter, which is annoying because for some reason a MacBook does not have an SD card adapter on it. So I was just freaking out. This all happened like yesterday, I think. So then I was like, what am I gonna film? But now we're here. Now we're here and we're vlogging. So that was a really long strung out, not even intro, but like little catch up. But we're here now in Seattle home, and welcome to the video. Let me catch you up to date. I slept in today. I can sleep for so long. It's something about being in my childhood home. I just like can really chill here. But I slept in. I went grocery shopping because like all of our food spoiled. So I just got the necessities, aka I got milk so that I could make myself a matcha, because while I'm here, I'm trying to have a little like coffee cleanse, but not really. When I would come here for just a week, I would buy coffee like every single day at a cafe, and that's just not, you know, financially responsible. And then also I love just like waking up and making myself a little drink at home. So I decided that I'm going on a little like coffee cleanse. Like I can still go to cafes and stuff, but I'm just trying not to do it every single day. Guys, look how long this plant is. This is the one plant I've had in my room, and I've had it since high school. I trimmed it, I think yesterday. So it was even longer than this. Anyways, wow guys, I really just got straight into yapping for this video, and it's funny because I was all like, oh my gosh, I have like nothing to film or talk about or do, and then I end up filming 4 hours of footage because I just talk so much. I feel like all my days here are pretty chill. I do still, you know, my job is social media, so I still film and edit and do all of that, but I can do that from anywhere, which is awesome, and I'm so grateful for it. So today the plan is to do whatever social media things I want to get done. I'll probably do that first. I'm probably gonna walk my dog with my mom and hang out for a little bit. Later today, I'm going thrifting with my dad, which I'm actually really excited for. I know this is a little like silly and stupid, but I kind of want to like thrift some decor for my room here, which is so unnecessary because this is like, why am I decorating my childhood bedroom when I don't live here? But I just love doing it, and I feel like if I'm thrifting something and it's cheap and like it brings me joy, like what the heck, I might as well do it. So I might look around. I might try to like spruce my room up a little since I'm here for so long. I have been working on these hexagon granny squares because I'm making a hexagon stocking. I'm gonna make one for Alex and one for me. So this is the first one, but I finished all of the granny squares that I need. So I just have to learn how to assemble it. So hopefully that should be pretty easy, and I can like start to do that today. I really didn't think this hobby would take off as much as it did. It's literally to the point where I couldn't come home without it. Like I packed this in my carry-on. Glad I did because it's so therapeutic, and I was actually so sad that I couldn't do it while the power was out. Okay, first off, look at this. Crazy. The one I'm working on right now, I don't really care for this, but to me they're all practice, and the way I'm doing it is like I'm not skipping a page, so that hopefully I'll be able to see my progress as I go. I just finished this one and I thought it looked so cute. I'm still kind of figuring out how to choose like my color palettes and stuff. I feel like that's something I'm kind of working on. Oh, I like how this one turned out. This one might be one of my favorites. But then I look at their example and I'm like, oh my gosh, I like their example so much more. I feel like it's really easy to like other people's and not like your own for coloring. I don't know why. I'm gonna go to the thrift store. I never really have much of a list because I kind of just like go wherever my heart desires. Tell me why I'm like hitting the jackpot right now. So we made a pit stop at a Christmas tree lighting. You have snow in your hair.
3, 2, 1.
Next stop, an errands day for us. I am getting more yarn to finish crocheting my stockings for Christmas. I'm trying to decide what color I want my stocking to be though, because like, is it weird if I make it pink? I also don't really like any of the green options. So I'm clearly back at home. Ran like random errands with my dad. We were originally just gonna go thrifting, but it kind of turned into a bunch of different things. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I said that I was thrifting for like room decor, but then once I got there was some art that I liked. I actually like almost bought a couple things, but then I kind of felt like I was going into it too quick, you know? I don't know. I think I'm gonna like scroll on Pinterest. Honestly, I might leave it too. I have no idea. Anyways, I got this one sweater though. I found like 3 sweaters that I actually loved, but I ended up only getting one because I just have too much clothes, but I really love this one and it's such a cute holiday sweater. It's Eddie Bauer and it was only $6 and I just like love the colors and everything about it. It was so funny when I was checking out, the girl ringing me up was like, oh, this is cute, like I'm gonna keep this for myself. And I was like, girl, me too. I would totally do that if I was at the register. I feel like I would be so jealous of what everyone was thrifting. Anyways, I got a bath mat at Ross, not that anyone cares about that. I got some more yarn for the stockings that I'm crocheting. This is what I needed to start assembling those granny squares I showed you earlier. And then I also got this like green one to make the second stocking. This is kind of like a little bit of an ambitious idea. Like sometimes I feel like I get these little crafty ideas and I have no idea if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try to make like really miniature granny squares and somehow turn it into a phone case. So I bought this it's called Crochet Thread. For some reason I've been getting a lot of like miniature crochet inspo on my For You page, so maybe that's what got me started. So I got 3 colors and that's gonna be a project for hopefully like this week or next week. Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Today is gonna be a pretty chill day. I'm just getting ready right now for church, and then after church there's like a church basketball game I'm probably gonna go to with some friends for a little while. Probably get some lunch with friends, and then I feel like Sundays are kind of like a rest day with my family, so we're probably going to watch a movie or hang out. I think we might try to have another fireplace because we were doing that while the power was out and it was actually really nice. I'm gonna finish getting ready for church and I'll catch up with you guys later in the day. Here's a quick outfit check before I go to church. I never really wear anything fancy really at all, but I'm just wearing a sweater. I have like a long sleeve layered underneath it because I don't really want to wear a big puffy jacket, but in the case that I do get really cold, I think I'm gonna pack this, which is an oversized puffer vest from Gap, light wash jeans, and these are my slippers. So I'll probably wear my Doc Martens. I have like 3 pairs of shoes here that I switch out of, so it's either Doc Martens or Converse. I just got home from church. I ended up hanging out with like friends and stuff a lot longer than I thought I was going to, and then I ran an errand for my dad on the way back. He just wanted hot dog buns, but I ended up going to Target for them and kind of looking around. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I just got 2 things, but I'm very excited about both of them. The first thing is this little sweater, like a little button up, and it's so soft. I didn't try it on. Guilty of like never trying stuff on, but it looks like a nice semi, not even cropped, but shorter and like looser fit, and I got it in a medium, but I even think like a bigger size would look really good too. I am getting so sick of this clip. First off, it broke, and I know it doesn't affect it that much, but sometimes I like stab myself. I just hate it when the prongs like fall off, and then also it's getting kind of like rusty. I've had this one forever, and it's also just not that good of a clip. It's like not secure enough for how much hair I have. So I got this pack from, I like this brand, so I'm hoping these clips will be better, but it's like a little bit longer. So excited for this because this has been so annoying. I like have to redo my hair every freaking 30 seconds. Hopefully not getting ahead of myself, but this is kind of promising. I feel like this is just gonna make my life so much better. I've seen people where they clip it like in a low bun, and I've always wanted to be able to do that. I don't know if this is the right way. Ow. Like this maybe? That might look stupid. So that you can like drive without it, you know, hitting the, wow, that's awesome. Later now. I clearly made a lot of progress on my crocheting today, which I'm so happy about. I have assembled it into a little stocking. I think it's looking really good, and right now I'm just crocheting the top lining part. Hopefully we'll be able to finish this one within the next couple of days. Guys, I'm so tired. It is almost 3 a.m. I have no idea why I'm awake right now, but I was determined to try out these heatless sock curls. So I just put these in. I'm going to go to sleep now. See you tomorrow for the update on these. Good morning, guys. I totally forgot to vlog taking it out. I think it turned out kind of okay. I definitely want to try it again. This side was a little too wet, so I feel like you can tell that this side is a lot curlier than this side, but not bad. Some pieces always turn out kind of like wonky. I don't know what it looks like from the back. I haven't vlogged very much today at all, but there's a couple things I want to show you. First off, the cardigan that I got from Target. It is everything I could have dreamed of and more. Look how cute she is. I feel like it's the perfect length to have like a little top peeking out underneath. I love all the colors and like the neckline and just like everything about it. I want to go back and get another one, which is bad because I feel like I always get these shopping cravings when I'm at home and living out of a suitcase. Update on the sock curls. They fell out a little bit and I'm still pretty happy with them. I think they're cute. They're a little bit more like loose waves on me. I am currently scouring my house for some craft supplies because I'm meeting up with a friend. We originally wanted to go to this place called the Stitch Cafe, which when I found out about this, I was so excited. It's like a new knitting cafe in Seattle, but they are unfortunately closed on the day we wanted to go. So instead, we're just going to a different cafe and we're going to make little Christmas felt ornaments. So let's pack up, get our supplies and head on over to the cafe. We're trying out a new cafe in Bellevue. I got just a vanilla latte and then this sandwich, which does look really good, but it was $30. So we're making ourselves cozy here and we're posting up and we're crafting. We're making little Christmas ornaments right now. So the one I just started is inspired by this. This is how far I am. I'm not very far. This little moon one, this one's like an ornament, but it'll be felt. And then I want to make 2 of these little sweater ones. So I have 5 on my list to do right now. Kind of curious how many I'll actually be able to make because I tend to overestimate my crafting ability. Finished my first ornament, the little house one. I'm gonna see how many more I can get done. Oh, our little tree! I just finished my second ornament. It's a little moon. And I'm gonna try to make one more while I'm here, but it's gonna be a really simple one. A little heart like this. You think I can do it in 10 minutes? All right, guys, it's 8 p.m. We've been working here for what, like 3, 4?
For like 20, 4:15.
Oh my gosh, that's kind of wild. I made 3 ornaments, so that's not too bad. It's the next morning and I just wanted to come here and end off this video. That was just the past couple of days in my life visiting home. Of course, filled with lots of crafts and just cozy activities, and it was really fun to bring you guys along with me. And I don't know, it kind of just felt like a taste of when I used to vlog more about my day-to-day life in high school. If you guys do like more of these casual daily vlogs, let me know because I would love to do more of these. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.